In today's video, I will walk you through how to add transactions to your portfolio on CoinmarketCap. To add transactions to your portfolio on CoinmarketCap, first collect the transaction details from your cryptocurrency exchange. Check the tokens you currently have available, and note the amount you want to add to your portfolio. Once you have the information, go back to CoinmarketCap. If you are not signed in, access the login section and continue with your account. After signing in, go to the Watchlist and Portfolio option. From there, select Portfolio to view your existing portfolios. To add your transactions, select the option to create a new portfolio. Enter a name for your portfolio and create it. After creating the portfolio, you can start adding your transactions. Select the option to add a new transaction. Choose the token you want to add. Search for the cryptocurrency from the available list and select it. Next, enter the quantity of the token you currently have. After entering the amount, select Add Transaction. Once the transaction is added, the asset will appear in your portfolio. A chart will be created, and you will see the tokens available in your portfolio. To add another token, select the option to add a new transaction again. Search for the next cryptocurrency. Select it, enter the amount you have, and choose Add Transaction. After adding your assets, you can view your transactions, current balance, allocation, and portfolio statistics. The portfolio section will also show information about your assets, including performance details and a chart that displays how your portfolio changes over time. You can review the chart to see how your portfolio has grown or decreased over different periods. If you want to make changes, you can remove an asset from your portfolio or select the plus option to create another transaction with the same token. To add another transaction for the same cryptocurrency, select the token, enter the transaction details, and add the transaction. The new transaction will be added automatically to your portfolio. Using these steps, you can add your cryptocurrency transactions to CoinmarketCap and keep track of your portfolio information. Thank you for watching.